Hi, I'm Courtney from the UK. I've come here today, done a bit of research on Instagram, found Dentafly, and I've had a full set at the top. It was so painless, everyone was so helpful, hotel was lovely, and I just couldn't fault anything, and I'll be recommending family members to come back. No, I come by myself as well, so it's just me by myself. I've felt safe, everyone's been so helpful, and it's just like being in the UK, really, but better. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think my mum's going to come back next year, yeah, and I'll be back, yeah.
Yay, great.
Oh yeah, definitely, yeah, 100%. I'd like to come back next week. Sunshine.
Yes.
Amazing, yeah, absolutely. Everyone's been so helpful, yeah, it's been really nice, and considering I'm on my own, so yeah. Perfect, I just can't wait to get home now, yeah. I've only come for 2 days, I wish I'd stayed for longer, but yeah, can't wait to get home now and show my new teeth, yeah. Yeah.